In today's video, we're diving into a big question: Mailchimp versus Drip. Which platform has more powerful automation features? Both are well-known email marketing platforms, but when it comes to automation, things start to get a little more complicated. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal which one might actually not be your best choice for automation and give you an alternative that I believe will take your business further. First up, let's talk about Mailchimp. It's one of the most popular email marketing tools out there, mainly because it's easy to use and it offers a free plan for beginners. But when it comes to automation, Mailchimp does have some limitations. You can create basic automation workflows like welcome emails or abandoned cart sequences, but the platform isn't as flexible as some others. Once you start getting more advanced with segmentation or building personalized journeys, Mailchimp begins to feel a little clunky. It lacks deep integrations with some third-party tools, which can be a deal breaker if you need more customization. Next thing, Drip. Drip positions itself as a more robust option for e-commerce and digital marketers who need advanced automation features. It's built for high-level automations right out of the gate. With Drip, you can create multi-step workflows using triggers like page views, product purchases, and even customer behavior on your site. The visual workflow builder is super intuitive, which makes it easier to design complex automations that feel personalized to your audience. But Drip doesn't come without its downsides. While it excels in automation, its interface can feel a little less user-friendly compared to Mailchimp's sleek design. Also, some users complain that the learning curve for Drip is a bit steep, especially if you're a beginner. The third thing to consider is reporting and analytics. Mailchimp does provide good reporting options, including open rates, click rates, and other standard metrics. However, Drip takes it a step further. It has powerful tracking capabilities that integrate more seamlessly with your website and other tools, giving you richer data on customer behavior. This level of data insight makes it easier to optimize your email campaigns in real time, something Mailchimp struggles with unless you upgrade to higher tier plans. The fourth thing, pricing. Mailchimp is known for offering a free plan with limited features, which can be an excellent way to start if you're on a budget. But as you grow, the cost of Mailchimp can increase quickly, especially when you want more advanced automation tools. Drip, on the other hand, starts at a higher price point, but includes more robust features from the start, which means you won't need to upgrade your plan as frequently. One thing to note is the customer support for both platforms. Mailchimp has a larger user base, so you'll find plenty of tutorials and forums online. But their support can feel impersonal, especially when you run into issues with more complex workflows. Drip, on the other hand, offers better support with dedicated account managers and more personalized help, which can be a huge benefit if you're working with more advanced automations. So, after trying both Mailchimp and Drip myself, here's my take. While both platforms are solid choices for email marketing, if you're serious about using powerful automation tools and want to scale quickly with better reporting, I would recommend Drip. It gives you the flexibility and depth you need, especially if you're in e-commerce or digital marketing. However, if you want a platform that's simple to use and doesn't require a lot of experience, Mailchimp may be the better starting point. But here's the thing, neither Mailchimp nor Drip is perfect for everyone. That's why I want to suggest a better alternative if you're serious about automation and want a platform that's even more powerful for your business goals. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that can do everything you need with ease and efficiency, check out the link in the description for a free trial that gives you exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, after trying all of these, this alternative will take your email marketing to the next level. Don't miss out.